What's up, guys? I hope you guys are all doing great today. So if you're anything like me, you play a lot of video games. There's this new game out. It's so good that it's actually been stealing me away from Fortnite, which has been my main jam for a little while now. It's called Apex Legends. It's really awesome. I think it's in the sweet spot between first-person shooters and something that's too realistic for me, like a PUBG, Call of Duty, never been my thing. I don't know, I don't like something too realistic. I want a little bit of sci-fi and fantasy to it. So Apex Legends is out, it's great, only there's this glitch with it. One quick search on Google or Reddit will show that a lot of users are having this problem where their in-game chat is no longer working. At first it was working, now it's not working. I'm going to show you the only way that I know right now how to fix this glitch. So it's unfortunate that up until this point, EA has been very public about the fact that they know about the chat glitch. They're not prioritizing this fix. But what you're going to want to do is, after you boot into the game, first, before you even attempt this fix, I would recommend that you go into your game settings by holding the start button, and you make sure that your voice to text chat settings are off. When you have this option on, the game uses this audio channel and redirects it into the text rather than giving you the ability to hear it. So make sure that this option is off before you even attempt this fix. Once you've established that voice to text chat isn't the problem, the next step is to hit the Xbox button, quit the Apex app, go to My Games and Apps, click See All, and then you're actually going to uninstall the entire game. Now, don't be worried about this. You're not going to lose any of your data. It's all stored on EA's servers. When you uninstall the game, it's going to save all of your game data, and when you reinstall it, it's all going to be there. But yes, you're going to have to reinstall it. So go ahead and click uninstall. Then go to the Microsoft Store and re-download Apex Legends. Yes, it's a 26 gig game. You're going to have to re-download and reinstall the entire thing. So let's wait delightfully for the entire 30-minute to 2-hour process to happen. Cue time lapse. Okay, we've been patient. You've reinstalled the entire game. Now reopen Apex Legends. Everything should be fixed. Your game chat should be working perfectly. Just as one final reminder, please everyone go back into your game settings and double check that your voice to text chat settings are off, because otherwise this entire process is futile. That channel will block all in-game audio from going through your headset and game chat. As long as that's off, this fix is, in my experience, 100% accurate. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think it was pretty straightforward. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. Leave me a comment if there's anything you did or didn't understand, and hopefully I can help you out because I usually try and address all the comments. As always, be well, take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.